Good morning guys, it's Family Driver here again. So I finally managed to put the spacers on my car and I think it looks so much better. I probably could go with 12mm at the front, but at the moment I think it looks just right. It doesn't look unnatural, and because it's not lowered I didn't want to go over with it. So I think I still maintain the kind of normal but enhanced look rather than go with something which will look unnatural on the car. So yeah, the wheels are feeling the wheel arch is much better now, which you can see in a moment. And I'm mega happy with it. I had some initial problems with the M-tec spacers which I was sent. Unfortunately, one was defective, but fortunately the guys from M-tec dealt with it really quickly. They sent replacement within 24 hours. Bear in mind, I'm paying for this stuff. I'm you know, there's no favors. I was just an ordinary customer, so I believe they would deal with the same speed with anyone else. So I think the company offering really good service, and the price was really good. With the locking bolts I paid around 80 quid or 85 quid for 4 of the spacers, which is about probably 50-60% cheaper than, for example, Bimmec. They also send me Bimmec locking wheels with the spacers, so you know, I think it's a quality product. It fit in well. I encountered some problems in the beginning because I didn't know you have to take off the plastic caps. So you can see that in the video in a moment. Fortunately, you know, you guys came with help. I asked on the forum and on Facebook, and within a couple of minutes you guys helped me out and told me what do I have to do. So thank you for that. You know, I think the car looks fantastic now. I'm really happy with the results. So another mod is on the car. The next thing, hopefully this Friday, will be the mid pipe. I also bought a black matte BMW M135i badge, so that will hopefully go on the car in the next couple of weeks once it gets a bit warmer. I also got wrapping foil to wrap the ring around BMW sign at the back. So you know, hopefully it will be much more stealthy within the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned guys, the more videos coming very soon. As usually, please give me thumbs up if you enjoyed this video to help me and support me, and subscribe to the channel if you're new.
Steezy Prime.
the trip to Scotland, which will happen in next couple of weeks. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss that. Right, thank you very much, guys. That's everything for today. See you next time.